Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the issue of one AirPod not working or sound not playing.
Fix 1. Use windowed or borderless mode. Step 1. Open the game settings. Step 2. Go to display graphics. Step 3. Change full screen to windowed or borderless windowed. Fix 2. Run snipping tool as administrator. Step 1. Press start. Search snipping tool. Step 2. Right. Click it. Run as administrator. Step 3. Launch the game and try snipping again. Fix 3. Enable background apps. Step 1. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Step 2. Click Background Apps. Step 3. Turn Snipping Tool on. Fix 4. Disable Game Mode. Step 1. Open Settings, Gaming. Step 2. Click Game Mode. Step 3. Turn Game Mode off. Fix 5. Restart your iPhone. Step 1. Power off your iPhone. Step 2. Wait 30 seconds. Step 3. Turn it back on and test AirPods. Fix 6. Reset AirPods. Step 1. Put AirPods in the case and close it for 30 seconds. Step 2. Open the case and press the setup button for 15 seconds. Step 3. Reconnect AirPods to your iPhone.